This week in Jamaica now. 7 days of COVID lockdown, government racing to contain a rapid increase in deaths and infections. Delta in Jamaica. Then, vaccination for students to return to face-to-face classes. Have all the...
Who give you sugar? Why you went in the fridge? Sugar. This is what we're dealing with this morning. Sugar. Good morning, neighbors. It is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. We've made it almost to the end of the week. As always, things are exciting and interesting and dramatic around here. Added to that, last night, as those of you who are in Jamaica know, the Prime Minister announced a series of 3-day lockdown starting this weekend. This is because the Delta variant has been discovered, confirmed in Jamaica. So a lot of things are being impacted by this, mainly back to school. What is going to happen to children going back to school? So 200,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine is here. Children 12 to 18 are going to be offered the vaccine. My daughter Hannah, who is going to be 15 in November, we're going to have that discussion with her. I think she should have it. I don't have a problem with her. I don't have any major concerns regarding the vaccine. My main concern is with the coronavirus and with this Delta strain. So that is something that is going to be on the table because the rollout of that vaccine is happening this weekend. Also happening this weekend, Leila and Zahra's birthday, as you guys know. On Sunday is their birthday. Their grandmother, Paul's mother, if we were to have it on Sunday, is not going to be able to join us. So we are actually going to be celebrating the birthday on Saturday, a day in advance. It is what it is. Here we are. We are going to make the best of it. Paul, I've asked him to go to the supermarket to pick up some additional things for me that I'm going to be needing. Yeah.
Morning. I have a draw a seat for this one. Come. So, yes. Lockdown in Jamaica. Lockdown. Lockdown again. So on Sunday, starting this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, no movement for Jamaica. The other Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, no movement for Jamaicans. The other Sunday, only no movement. Let's go. Head into the supermarket. Come on. Can't believe it's happening again. At the supermarket now, and of course the parking lot is really packed. Unusually it's just 8:30. Unbelievable, yes. Do I have to go in there? Yes. So I'm going to go. I got a list from Tina and Hannah of things that I need to get for the party, decorations and streamers and all these things, color scheme. I'm going to do my best, guys, but if it no work out, it no work out. I'm going to try though. So let's see what the shopping has in store for us. To the supermarket we go. it's just 9 o'clock and just 9. And there's nothing in the meeting almost empty. Almost empty. So at 9 o'clock. What time did the place open this morning? I really don't know. We're in the supermarket now for over an hour. In the line now for about 20 minutes and still about 10 people ahead of me. So just leaving the supermarket and there is a line outside now to get in. So I guess the moral of the story is I should be thankful that I came this early, still got through. Yeah, and I have to wait outside for the line anyway. Pack up time now. Okay, let me explain to you just how bad inside is. I got here about 8:30. It's now 10:40, that's 2 hours. Not so bad. However, when I was leaving, people were coming to the checkout lines, waiting for somebody to finish unpacking their things on the conveyor belt for them to get the trolley, because there was no trolley at all in the supermarket. If you are just coming in for your today shopping, you have to go beside somebody and wait until them finish them trolley at the cash out, and you get to start the shopping. It's just 10:40. Those who would have gone to work in office today are going to be let out at midday, I think. I took a vacation day for Friday and Monday because of the baby's birthday on Sunday, which is why I am able to do what I'm doing now. But it's going to get worse. But I won't be here for it. Thank God we got that out of the way.
You watching vlog?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah, first of all, the bread aisle had lines on two sides. So this is the aisle. There's a line this side, a line this side, so you could have barely go through. Because there were lines there and carts there. The person come out with the bread, when the bread finished, him couldn't reach to the shelf because people are blocking the shelf with their carts. So him couldn't get the pack out. So basically, the crates are here with the bread. I just stay there.
People just
go there and take in bread.
So you missed it. You never got to take it.
I never saw the bread that we buy at that point. I saw the shorty. Took up the shorty for mommy. Then eventually, when I finished shopping, I see him with the other ones. I couldn't bother. We can get it somewhere. It's a one-off item.
We can probably get it at the shop.
Yeah, or somewhere, gas station or something.
Or we do without bread for a couple of days. There's a bread in the fridge that
might last.
It might last.
Yeah, so
you can manage everything.
Not all at once. I'll make a couple of chips.
What is this? Passion fruit?
Passion fruit.
Alright, passion fruit for mixed drinks. Great, good job, good shopping. We can make some passion fruit and June plum juice.
Do you need more passion in your life? More passion?
That sounds like one of them black stallion or, aphrodisiac related ads. What are you suggesting, Mr. Reed? There are children here. Oh, we got some plantains as well. guys can see, we managed to get our preparations for lockdown done. We have our groceries, some fresh fruits, vegetables, some nice fresh eggs. I hope that all our Jamaican neighbors are prepared as well. But everybody, please keep safe. Blessings and enough love from me and my house.